way more stuff in it. So I'm going to kind of do a little overview of the mod menu as well once we get it installed. But it also installs differently from the previous menu as well, so that's why I'm making a tutorial on it. So it's actually easier to install. All you have to do is make sure you have a PS4 on firmware version 1.76, and of course have the WebKit exploit set up so you can access the internet browser without being signed into PSN. And yeah, that's basically all you have to have actually. So in order to actually get this mod menu, you just need to go to a website on your PS4. So open up the internet browser, head to a URL, and you want to type in azuramenu.com. So azuramenu.com, and just go straight to that site, and it will redirect you to /load/. Now, I don't recommend going on this website on your computer for whatever reason, because you will get IP banned. I did that myself because I wanted to see if I could just get the actual payload file itself for the menu so I could show you guys how to install it manually if this website for some reason goes down sometime in the future. But obviously he doesn't want people doing that, because I got IP banned for going to the site on my computer's browser. Luckily I have a dynamic IP, so that doesn't really affect me. But again, if you have a static IP, you don't want to go to this site. Well, at least not the /load/ URL on any other browser apart from the PS4's browser. So once you get on here, all you want to do is click the button to load Azura menu GTA 5. Press A on that, and you'll see it'll say payload loaded waiting for game. So once you get that notification, you just want to press the middle button on your PS4 to back out of the web browser. You don't want to press B though, and not B, God, thinking of Xbox. You don't want to press circle because that will quit the browser, and you don't want to quit the browser, you just want to back out of the browser, leaving it running in the background. So for that you just press the middle button on your PS4, and then just head over to GTA 5 and start the game. It's as simple as that. Really easy to load this mod menu, and you'll know that it's been loaded because at the top left hand corner it'll give you the version of the game, and it'll say it's been detected. Setting up environment, just wait for the game to load. GTA 5's naturally long load times, and once you get to loading the story mode, you should get a notification saying that the menu has been activated as well. So I'm going to skip past the loading until we get into the game. Okay, so here we go. The game has loaded up now, and to open the menu, it does tell you, I kind of skipped past it with the sped up footage, but it does tell you to press right bumper, or right on the D-pad, and square at the same time. So you press right bumper and square at the same time to open the menu, and as you can see, this is the menu. Now it doesn't look that much bigger than the previous one, but you know, there's menus within menus here, so there's a hell of a lot of stuff in this. So first of all, you'll notice if you've used the previous menu that this one now has world options and bodyguard options. So if we go into world options, we can change it from day to night. We can go backwards and forwards in time by 1 hour increments. You can also pause the clock completely, even make the entire game run in slow motion, which is pretty cool. Other than that, so that's like a brand new thing that wasn't in there before. There's also weather options, so you can change all the different weather types in the game. So that is another thing that's been added. Traffic options have been added as well, so you can delete the traffic completely. You can, make the closest vehicles to you explode. If I do that, you can see a couple of those cars exploded right there, and then you can kill the driver. So loads of different options there. Pedestrian options as well, so you can of course disable the pedestrians, delete to explode the nearest pedestrian to you, which would be, there doesn't seem to be any around me right now, but that's one other thing you can do. So you've got all of those options. Blackout and low gravity, I'm not sure if that works. Obviously that will only be during the night. Let's try that actually. Let's try blackout. Oh, that does work. So it just turns off all the lights in the game during the night, which is pretty cool as well. So there's that. We'll just switch that back to daytime. And other than that, money options as well is a brand new option that's been added. So I can just give myself $1 billion in the game, as you do. So that's pretty much it for that. IPL options as well. You can spawn stuff like North Yankton in. So if you do that, that will basically create North Yankton and spawn it into the map, and then you can teleport to it in the teleport options. So I can just go North Yankton and that'll teleport me there, and yep, it's definitely spawned. So we've got North Yankton spawned right there, so that works. And then of course you can spawn to other areas. Let's spawn to just spawn to the airport just now. So now we're on the airport, and I will quickly turn Never Wanted on so that I'm God mode, so that I can't be attacked by the police. So also super jump, super run, that's all in there. I mean, most of this stuff was in there before, but no clip's new. So you can use right trigger and left trigger to go up and down, and then you can just move around in no clip. So that's a brand new option. It wasn't in the previous menu as well. Other than that, model changer, that's been in since the previous menu. So turn myself into a zombie or alien, something like that. I can also see if we go into weapon options, take weapons, give me all the weapons in the game. We've also got infinite ammo. Fire ammo's new, that wasn't in the previous menu, I'm pretty sure. If I shoot these guys, they will catch fire. Explosive rounds as well, so I can shoot the ground and they will, my ammo is explosive. I can even do slow motion gun as well, so whenever I fire, my bullets are in slow-mo. Let's see, what else have we got? Teleport gun, so I will teleport to wherever I shoot. So that's another option. So all that stuff is new. There's also, there's a lot more teleport locations as well, that weren't in the previous menu. The vehicle spawner's got loads of new stuff as well, so I can spawn a vehicle and I can now upgrade it in the vehicle options. So I can go to a mod shop, I can, you know, mod all these different things, or I can just do max upgrades on the vehicle, as well as God mode. God mode was in the previous menu. Invisibility was not in the previous menu, I don't think. So that's a cool little option. Then there is fixed vehicle, that was in the previous one. Vehicle boost. Whoa, shit, went straight into a pillar. But that was in the previous menu. Super speed's new though, so you can just drive insanely fast. So that's that again is brand new. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the vehicle options. Bodyguard options, that's a brand new feature as well that wasn't in previous menus. So we open this up, we can spawn somebody in as a bodyguard, and then you can edit that bodyguard. So if I manage all, then I can kill the bodyguard, I can resurrect him if he's died, I can teleport him to me, I can give him God mode, make him invisible, shrink him, take his weapons, give him specific weapons that he can use to defend me with, and yeah, so all of that stuff. So as you can see, this menu is just a huge improvement over the previous one. A lot of people were saying on the previous menu that it was like a pointless menu because you could do everything in creative mode. I don't believe the base version of GTA 5 has creative mode. I could be wrong. I don't really play GTA 5 on console, but in general. But yeah, creative mode I don't think is in the base version of the game, and you can only play the base version of the game on 1.76. So that previous menu wasn't pointless, as people were saying, but this one has loads of stuff that is not in creative mode, and you know, it's got a hell of a lot of cool features. So anyway guys, if you liked the video or you found the information useful, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, comment if you have any questions, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video.